Does GoDaddy issue SSL certificates? Yes, GoDaddy issues SSL certificates, providing website security through data encryption. SSL, Secure Sockets Layer, certificates ensure secure connections between websites and visitors, protecting sensitive information like personal details, payment data, and login credentials. 1. Types of SSL certificates offered by GoDaddy. Domain Validation, DV, SSL, basic encryption for personal websites and blogs. Cost starts at $63.99 per year. Organization Validation, OV, SSL, enhanced security for business websites, verifies domain ownership and organization details. Cost starts at $159.99 per year. Extended Validation, EV, SSL, highest level of encryption and trust, displays a green address bar for maximum credibility. Cost starts at $249.99 per year. Wildcard SSL secures an unlimited number of subdomains under one primary domain. Cost starts at $295.99 per year. Multi-domain SSL, SAN SSL secures multiple domains and websites. Cost starts at $295.99 per year. 2. How to get an SSL certificate from GoDaddy. Log in, sign in to your GoDaddy account. Go to SSL Certificates. Select Security from the product menu. Choose a plan. Pick the SSL type based on your needs. Purchase and install. Complete the purchase and follow GoDaddy's setup guide. 3. Automatic SSL for hosting plans. Managed WordPress plans. Come with free SSL certificates included. Website builder plans. SSL is automatically configured for all sites.